Hello Fairview. For today's technology tip, I'm going to be taking you through signing up for a free trial of Dreambox. Families with older students will probably remember a couple of years ago we had Dreambox in our classrooms that we were using, and then we decided not to continue with that program. When it is not free, it is expensive. So Dreambox has opened up to a limited time, as you can see in this orange area right here, for a 90-day free trial of Dreambox. And Dreambox is great and a great thing to do during this time. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set that up. So you're going to click right up here. It's just dreambox.com. You can also just Google Dreambox and it'll come up right away. So you're going to click on that. And then it's going to bring you here, so while your kids are at home, keep them engaged in learning with our 90-day free trial, which is awesome. So you're going to click Start Your Free Trial. It'll bring you to this page. So it says, do you have a Dreambox Learning account? So you hit no, and then you're going to fill in all of your stuff. So I'm going to fill that in, hit Next, and then pick up where it takes us. All right, so I filled in all my stuff. I'm going to hit Next. Oh, well, that's good to know. Your password must be 12 characters or more. So let me try that again. Okay, so then you're going to put in all of your parent information and free trial, and I'm going to fill one out for myself. So as you know, parents or students have questions, I can log on and do that for them. So I'm going to go ahead and start my free trial. And I'm just going to pause this once I fill all of my family profile out. All right, so filling all those things out, I'm going to sign myself up as a first grader just because it's easier for myself, if my students have questions, as I'm a first grade teacher. But I'm sure you can add, more than one student account, and then you could have other students if you have kids who are in different grades. Okay, so here is our family dashboard. So that's where you would see the hub of kind of all of your family members, or like me, if you just put in one child, it will be there. So you would click on your name. You're going to select the pictures, your password, which is great, and I highly recommend writing down which password your students picked, just so you can help them log in if they need to.
Welcome to Dreambox Learning.
So when you get into Dreambox, you're going to see kind of this home opening screen that pops up.
Hey, down here. Before we start
So it's going to bring you through kind of like its own intro. I just zoomed through that for you so you don't have to watch all of that. And then you can choose your character. That's going to be kind of like your little avatar while you're going through all of the site. So I'm just going to pick this girl.
All right. See that? It's the adventure part.
And I'm going to skip through all of this just because I've been there before. And then all these different areas here
With Henny and Bunny.
are all different activities that you can do. And the little voice.
With Professor Pickles. This is the arcade where you can play more fun games.
So the little voice behind will kind of tell you all different things that you can do with your little avatar girl. There is an arcade that's full of games that are sometimes not related to learning, so it is important to make sure that they're not, your students are not just sitting in that arcade area playing games. But as soon as you click on something and they'll go there, the little avatars will tell you what you're going to do, and then you begin starting all of your different activities within each little world. So the kids love it because, of course, it's cool to see all these different characters, and the games are super engaging. You earn coins, which then you can get different things with your coins. So all in all, it's a really great resource, and we're lucky to have that, for that limited time that they said for their 90 days. So here's just an example right here that will go through all the different things. And of course, what's awesome is that it gives you right down here, you can see it's written out for you, and it's also it's also spoken to you so you can hear it as well. So that's something I highly recommend downloading for now. So you exit. You can always go back to where you came from, to the main screen. So yeah, that's a great resource, and I'm sure if you have questions, you can reach out to your teachers and they'll help you out. You can feel free to reach out to me as well, and I hope you guys enjoy your trial of Dreambox.